How long does kennel cough last? When people hear their beloved pet dog coughing away, it not just appears a little bit unusual, yet it can be extremely scary as well. This is due to the fact that coughing is primarily connected with people. The reality is that there is not that large of a difference in between dogs and humans when it concerns respiratory infections. Dogs struggle with breathing discomfort as well. There has actually been some problem over the connection in between kennel cough and people. While the possibility of an infection traveling in between animals and humans could at first show up complicated, there is research that sustains that this is definitely the reality. Human bordellosis. People with a feeble and vulnerable device are prone to personal bordellosis. Although this health condition is not usual, it's not rare either, and its results can't not be neglected. VetCentric.com states that this illness can be transmitted between canines and human beings through coughing. From individuals with a weak immune device, children and expectant females have been shown to be in danger of contracting kennel cough. This illness is triggered by a germ referred to as Bordetella bronchiseptica. This microorganism can be compared to the Bordetella pertussis bacterium that causes whooping cough. Some researchers suggest that there exists no relationship in between kennel cough and human beings, as they hold the belief that there is no probability of human beings acquiring these kinds of conditions. Transmission of kennel cough. Is known to be the major transmitter of kennel cough in people. Those people living in unclean and inadequately aired locations are a lot more prone to this illness compared to those that stay in well-ventilated areas. As a result, it is very important to make sure that your atmosphere is tidy. In addition, humans need to prevent connecting with infected canines. Flu. In addition to bad chilies are also two signs that are often associated with kennel cough. Prevention. Healthcare specialists think that there is no should worry about kennel cough and people. This is typically due to the fact that deterrence of these diseases is less complicated than addressing them once they take place. Those who would like to avoid going through the troubles of being affected with kennel cough needs to stay away from interacting with infected canines, considering that the illness is airborne in nature. In case you believe you can't not stay away from connecting with canines, then you should consider vaccinating them. Treatment. Health. Some experts argue that there is no connection in between kennel cough and humans. We can come across some people having the very same signs as their pets do after interacting with them while they had kennel cough. The use of prescription antibiotics has actually verified to be efficient for addressing kennel cough in humans. In order to control mild signs, patients are advised to use cough suppressants. Using anabolic steroids is strongly discouraged, for they deteriorate one's immune system. From these facts, it is clear that kennel cough has resulted in wear and tear of health amongst human beings and pet dogs. It does not matter its transmission source, all individuals have to rise to the celebration and ensure that they fight this ailment. If you are unsure about the cough though, I want to tell you about a way you can be sure. Questions like how long does kennel cough last? If you have health concerns for your dog, you'll appreciate it as a resource. So remember, you can get questions answered like how long does kennel cough last are in there.